just sitting here drinking good morning, you guys. So I'm just sitting here having my morning coffee, and I am going to be doing some cleaning and some things around the house today. So I thought that I would just take you guys along with me. So this is just going to be like a little day in the life with a stay-at-home mom. If you don't know me already, my name is Jessica. I'm a mom of 3. My oldest is Mason. He is 4 years old. My middle is Major. He will be turning 2 pretty soon. Mia is my littlest. She is 10 months old. And then my husband Alex, he actually just left to go fishing, and he'll be back here pretty soon. So yeah, that's us. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. So Major is having the breakfast of champs this morning, frozen waffles. So of course he wanted to get up on the counter and help mommy out. He has been so curious lately, and he's getting so smart. He's also getting to the age where he wants to do everything himself, which is so cute, but it can be frustrating at times. So I just have to remind myself just to be patient with him. So after the babies went down for their nap, Alex got back from fishing, and I started a strength workout. Working out every day has literally become so important to me, not only for my physical health, but for my mental health as well. I feel like I can just finally give my thinking mind a break. And especially after having kids, I'm just going all the time, and it just feels so nice to take some time to take care of myself. And I just notice when I take the best care of myself, I am more present, more aware, and just the best version of myself for my kids and for the others that I love in my life. So I try to take some time to move my body every single day, whether it's just going for a walk or doing some yoga or just playing outside with the kids. And you definitely don't want to forget to stretch, especially if you're carrying around babies all day like me. Stretching is so important to prevent any back pain and soreness. Now on to some cleaning. So first off, I always fill my diffuser to help cleanse any toxins in the air. And I love this blend. It is 3 to 4 drops of Thieves, Purification, and Lemon. So next, I'm gonna get started on dishes, but first I'm going to add my Thieves dish soap to my dish brush along with a couple drops of Citrus Fresh. I love my Thieves dish soap because it is 100% plant-based, so it doesn't contain any of the harmful fragrances and chemicals that many of the conventional products contain at the grocery store. It's also infused with Thieves and other essential oils, so it's super concentrated, and a little bit goes a long way. So if you've never heard of Thieves, Thieves is actually a very powerful essential oil blend that is amazing for immune support, and it also has a warm cinnamony aroma. Now I'm going to be using my Thieves household cleaning spray to wipe down the countertops, the cabinets, and the appliances. And it is also 100% plant-based and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use around our kids and our pets, but it is still extremely powerful stuff. You can actually Google the Thieves experiment if you want to see how Thieves compares to other most common cleaners. So we were able to throw out everything else under the sink, and now we just use Thieves cleaner for pretty much everything. So we also decided to switch to the Thieves Laundry Soap, and I have just been feeling so much better about using this lately, especially since most conventional detergents contain harmful chemicals and fragrances, even baby detergents. I just feel like I can finally feel confident in the choices that I'm making for my family and that the products that we're using are safe. I also love it because it smells so fresh and amazing, and it's super concentrated, so you only need half a cap for regular size loads. Now on to folding clothes, which I feel like is never ending. But these have been sitting next to my bed for like days, so I figured I should probably put them away. Since we got our oils, we no longer have to use dryer sheets, so I just put a couple drops of whatever oil I'm feeling onto a damp washcloth. You can also use dryer balls, but I'm using Peace and Calming since these are Mia's clothes. I love this oil. It smells so good and it knocks her out. I decided to put some makeup on and get ready, which I highly recommend. Just taking a few minutes to yourself every single day can make a huge difference. Also, I have been loving the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you haven't tried it or any of their eyeshadow palettes, I highly recommend it. The colors are beautiful and they're super pigmented. Dino nuggets for dinner because I just really didn't feel like cooking, to be honest, but the kids love it. What happened? A little bit of a mom fail, and I couldn't finish making the macaroni and cheese because I completely forgot we were out of butter and milk. That's okay though, right? That's okay. So I completely forgot to end the video last night, but anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment what you think my next video should be. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.